and nothing seems to happen. As you can see in my print icon here, it says that the document is in the printer and it's printing, or it says send to print, but nothing's going on with the printer. I'm going to show you a couple of easy steps to fix that. The first thing you're going to want to go and do is disconnect your printer from your computer. Once you've done that, you're going to want to go to Start, go to Control Panel, go to System and Security, and go to Administrative Tools. In here, you're going to want to click on Services. Once you're in Services, go all the way down to where it says Printer Spooler. Once you're in Printer Spooler, you're going to see on the left hand side Stop and Restart. You're going to want to click on Stop. Once you click Stop, reconnect your printer to your computer. Wait about 5 seconds. Once it's connected, click on Start, and that should be done. Exit out of that window, and you can go ahead and exit out of all these windows. Next, go and try to print what you were going to print. And there you go, problem solved. I don't know if you can hear my printer, but it's now printing.